Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jaga's Couture. Today I'll be teaching us several head tie styles that we can rock to different casual occasions. Okay, like the one I'm wearing and the ones on the thumbnail. With this beautiful head tie, we can make up to like 10 versatile head wrap styles. So let's get right into this video. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Let's get to it. Okay, so you can have your this head tie. It's about 13 inches by 68 inches. Okay, so let's start the first one. You put it over your head. Make sure they're equal. Okay, so this is not a pre-planned. You see from here, you can fold it. However, after tying, you can always sort it out. Right? Let this one get to here. And then you tie. When you tie, push all of this one inside into here. Right? We shall be talking this in yeah. Okay, so you can decide to round you. Okay, so very close. Then okay, this is what this one looks like, right? And then you want to cover your ears, you can bring it down. This is what it looks like behind, and everything is covered. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so for the next one, we will be folding it in half. However you want to do it, fold it in half. That's a fold. So this one now, I'm going to tie it like the Fulanis. Make sure it is equal. Let it be equal behind. See, I've not even tied it. It's already looking fantastic. You will tie it. When you tie it like that, then you can choose to. This is a fold because when you open it like this, see, so this is just a fold. Then you fold it again. You fold it again. You move it across to the other side. Follow me, right? To the other side, and then tuck it in here. So the second one as well. This is the fold. It's just one fold. You fold again, and then see how it is. You bring it across. This one as it is, you can have your hair out, so it doesn't matter. If you're not wearing a wig cap, then one of the folds, it has to be unequal, so that the other one you can use it to tuck it in to cover your head. So here again, you tuck this one in, and there you go. You decide to move it a little bit. If you want to buy this hair tie, please let me know in the comment section so I can send you my WhatsApp for business for you to place an order. Okay, let's get to the next one. So for this one, hold it like this, make sure it's equal, and then bring it. Then just hold it by 1 inch underneath. And then see how I did it? By 1 inch. Now you hold it like that. You use your hand to hold now. See how it is? Hold now. And then now, as if you twisted it. And then now, you will tie it. You can decide to pull it. It's not very close, but if it was wider than this, it would have been so easy. However, we're still going to cover it up. So now, you can just decide to slightly twist. Slightly. Nothing too serious. Don't make it too tight. So we can achieve the volume we're looking for. Right? And then you bring it here and we will tuck it in. We tuck it in there. You can see. So you bring this next one. Slightly twist. Nothing too serious. Just kidding, but just slightly twist, you know. It is what helps to retain that. So you can either bring it underneath, which makes it much more fanciful, and afterwards you can decide to bring this a little bit up and follow it with this one. So you bring it here, here, right? Here, and you tuck it in also. And there you go. The good part about this is that because it is stretchy, you have enough room to work with. So even if it's very tight and then you are short on the arms, yes, or whatever, the sleeves of the headtie, because it is stretchy, it will be easier for you to tuck it in. Because as you pull, there's enough stretch to accommodate that which you're trying to, push in. So technically, I think this is my favorite because it just makes me look so beautiful. It just adds to my beauty. And then you can decide to cover your ears slightly. Normally, I don't cover my ears because they need to breathe. So you can go to church like this. You can go to any function. You can just wear your boo-boo and just tie your head like this. Simply and gorgeous. You can actually have your wig on and tie this one. This is like the most beautiful head tie, stabby head wrap, whatever it is out there. It is more like the Hausa Fulani, but it is fantastic. Anybody can wear it. So you can see, right? It is so good. Now let's get to the next one. You will love it. Okay, so the next one is we're going to hold it from like, say, half of our biceps, from our finger to the bicep. Here, so this will be the middle. And you tuck it in by 1 inch. And then you flip. It's similar to the last one we just did. Then you flip. So when you flip, see how you do it? See how you do it? Like this. So when you do it like this, you use this thumb to pick this one. It's as if you're wrapping it, right? Then you tie, right? So when you tie again, and then not too tightly, and then as if you hook it like that. So after hooking, let me show you what we're going to do next. You can bring this one down, tuck it in properly. Let me show you what we're doing. Right. All right. Okay, so now we have just one long strand of it. Just one long one. Hold that thought. Okay, I was just checking my microphone. So just slightly twist slightly twist, and then bring it across. So we're going to have one coming across our forehead. So as you arrange, you pull. As you arrange, you pull. Get it? So now I think it's strong enough. You pull. Then you bring it like this. Follow me. Like this. And then now like this. You bring it around this one. Did you see that? Around this. And then you will raise it up from here. And then you pull it to make it seem like you are tying it. You get it? And that's how you leave it. And then that is your magical head tie. You can choose to cover your ears slightly. Like I said, for me, I love my ears to breathe. Right? So this is one of the sweetest Hausa Fulani head headgear styles, head wraps, head whatever. You know, this is one of the most beautiful and simple. And like I said, if you want to buy this, I may not have this color by the time you see this video, but I'm going to have other beautiful colors for this please satin fabric. It is stretchy, it is soft, it is versatile, it is durable. You'll enjoy it because of the stretch. You're going to be able to utilize it in several ways. Because of that stretch, you have diversified methods and ways of using it. So let's go. Let me turn around again. Okay. Anyway, so by December, I'll be selling earrings such as this. They're not very expensive. You can only get it for 10,000 Nigerian Naira. So if you'd like to buy, please let me know so I can restock, right? Because the ones I had, I already sold them. Oh my God, my feet are hurting because I'm wearing a heel. My feet are hurting. So guys, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to combine it. However, I'm going to post this particular one in as a short so you can enjoy it. And I'm going to take a picture for the thumbnail. If you learned something, please subscribe to J Girls Tutor, and I'll come your way again next time with another beautiful versatile style out there, and you'll be able to rock it like the rich auntie that you are. And of course, you can wear your boo-boo, your tank top and a pair of jeans or a boyfriend jeans. You can wear a boo-boo. You can wear anything and rock this. Okay? And if you're looking for custom-made boo-boo, don't forget to send me a direct message or send a message to my email. Plus, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp for business down there so you can send me a message and have yours shipped to you in no time. Okay? Ciao, people.